Hello, Fly Babies. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Thursday, so that's Errand Day. Let's see what our 3-layer cake looks like. The first layer is going to be our routines. So let's get up this morning and do our early morning routine before the family. After we've taken care of ourselves and a little bit of the house things for yourself, then we're going to wake up our family if we have one and put them through their routines. And if you have some other things that you want to do today, this is the time to do them as well. Things that are routines that you do every single day, the garden, the eggs, the dog, whatever it is. So you might want to rearrange it so your kids are last. Maybe that's first and you're in the middle. I don't know. Whatever works for you. That's why you're the CEO. Okay, next we're going to do our laundry. So if you're going to work, you won't be doing laundry. You're going to be getting in your car and going to work, or whatever mode of transportation you take. Once you get to work, you're going to open your control journal after you've greeted everybody and gone to your desk, and you're going to follow your control journal. When you hit your breaks and lunches, that's when you're going to think about the second and third part of our 3-layer cake. So let's talk about that real quick. The second layer is the errand day. So you're going to maybe be able to run some errands on your lunch hour if that's possible. For groceries, I would suggest you go ahead and order those if at all possible to be delivered or to be picked up, or delegate that responsibility. I'd also like you to think about your weekly home blessing hour, how that's going, and how your zone 1 is going. Because when you get home today, you're going to greet the family, run to the bathroom, start your laundry, go through your inch of paper, start supper. While it's simmering, you're going to deal with, however that is for you, the weekly home blessing hour and the zone 1, the entryway. Okay, now if you're staying home, right after your morning routines, you're going to start your laundry and go through an inch of paper if you still have any. And then after that, you're going to go buy groceries. You're going to follow your plan from yesterday and run any other errands that need to happen. You're also going to take care of zone 1 today, a maximum of 15 minutes. And that's it. Zone 1 is the entryway. And because we have it for the whole week, you might want to consider doing your stairway or your foyer or some other parts that maybe you've been ignoring, okay? Next, we're going to do our after dinner routine. So this is something for those of us who are at home all day doing our at-home work, or those people who are out and about. So all of us are lions. We're living in our new strength, right? Thanks so much to Ms. Macaulay in Ireland for coming up with that, Karen. All right, so we are going to be doing our after dinner routine together. Remember to clean as you go, and then when you're done with dinner, it's not going to be so hard, and the whole family is going to jump in and help you. And every single day, you insist that it happens. And every single day, you hold everyone accountable, right? That means natural consequences, nothing you take personally, just natural consequences. You remember that? Okay. And then after dinner, we're going to take care of our before bed routine. Now, if you're exhausted, do yours first. That means let the kids play. Say, you know what, Mom's going to go get ready for bed. When I come back, it'll be time for you to get ready for bed. That's how that's going to look. So you can go to the bathroom and take your shower and brush your teeth and wash your face and put on your PJs, put your clothes away. Look at your planner for tomorrow. Make sure everything is up to date and that you know what you're going to wear tomorrow. Go ahead and hang those things up for yourself. Get everything done, and then say, okay, and you'll feel a little revived also. Go ahead and take care of the kids. Make sure that you oversee them if they're very small. Assist them. If they are a little older, oversee them. If they're even older, just inspect what you expect, right? All right, that's it. All right, so I hope that you have a wonderful day, and you always remember that you are beautiful.